Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a sleek and functional multi-select drop-down UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a component that looks just like the one you see on the screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by setting up our basic HTML structure. We'll create a full-screen container with a light gray background using the bggray100 class. Inside, we'll center our content with Flex, Item Center, and Justify Center classes. We'll also add some padding with p4. Next, we'll create a container for our dropdown. We'll use bgwhite for the background, border for the border, rounded for rounded corners, and shadow MD for a subtle shadow effect. Now let's add a button that will serve as our dropdown trigger. We'll use text left to align the text to the left, P2 for padding, text gray 800 for the text color, and hover, bggray200 for a hover effect. The focus, outline none, and focus, border blue 500 classes will improve accessibility by removing the default outline and adding a blue border on focus. Below the button, we'll add an unordered list to hold our dropdown options. Initially, we'll hide it using the hidden class. We'll also add a top border with border-T and some margin with mount 2. Let's add some options to our dropdown. Each list item will have padding with P2 and a hover effect with hover, bggray200. This will create a nice interactive feel for our options. To make our dropdown multi-select, we'll add checkboxes to each option. We'll use Flex and Item Center to align the checkbox in text, and Mr. 2 to add some margin to the right of the checkbox. Finally, let's add some JavaScript to toggle the visibility of our dropdown options. We'll select the button and the list, and add an event listener to the button that toggles the hidden class on the list. Congratulations! You've successfully built a multi-select dropdown UI component using Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use various Tailwind classes to style our component effectively. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video.